Creating viral content for faceless YouTube channels is indeed challenging, but with the right strategies, it's entirely achievable. The potential for success in going viral is not limited by a person's charisma in front of the camera. It's about understanding what makes people click, share, and engage with content. Crafting viral content for a faceless channel is rooted in creating high-value videos that resonate with broad audiences, optimizing for YouTube's algorithm, and appealing to viewers' emotions and curiosity. Let's break down how to do this effectively. Remember, the first step to creating viral content is understanding that virality is about more than just views. Viral videos get massive engagement, likes, shares, comments, and even reposts on other social media platforms. For faceless content, this often boils down to solid storytelling, visual appeal, and tapping into trending topics or evergreen interests. But it's not just about what you think is engaging. Pay attention to your audience's feedback, such as their comments, likes, and shares, and use it to improve your content. This fosters a sense of community and encourages interaction, which can lead to more shares and engagement. There's a common misconception that being faceless is a disadvantage when creating viral content. But in reality, many of the biggest YouTube channels consistently producing viral videos do so without ever showing their faces. Think about channels focusing on animation, educational content, tech, or news reporting. These channels lean into visuals, information, and creativity rather than relying on a person's personality to carry the video. For instance, trending topics could be the latest advancements in AI or a famous news story. At the same time, evergreen interests could be personal finance or tech reviews. So, how do you tap into this for your faceless YouTube content? The most essential part of any video, viral or not, is the first 10 seconds. This is when viewers decide whether they'll stay or click away. In faceless YouTube content, you must immediately hook the viewer through a provocative statement, an attention-grabbing question, or a visually compelling scene. For example, if you're making a video about the top 10 AI tools for passive income, don't start with a long intro or vague statements. Instead, hit the viewer with a bold claim like, "These AI tools will change how you make money forever." Then immediately dive into action. This will make viewers want to see if the bold claim holds true. For faceless content, try combining striking visuals with potent language. You can use a tool like InVideo to create a dramatic opening with impactful stock footage, animations, or dynamic text. Suppose you are leveraging a tool like Pictory AI or Doodly. In that case, you can create engaging animations or whiteboard-style videos that captivate attention immediately. Creating viral content often involves finding a balance between trending topics and evergreen content. Trend-based videos can go viral quickly because they tap into what's currently buzzing on the internet. For faceless channels, this could mean capitalizing on a viral news story, the latest developments in AI, or current pop culture events. Evergreen content, on the other hand, provides lasting value. These are videos on topics like how to make money online, the best budget tech gadgets, or top productivity hacks that will continue to be relevant long after they're posted. The trick is to blend these two strategies. For instance, you could create a video titled 5 AI Tools You Can Use to Make Money This Year, which taps into the trending AI conversation while offering evergreen value. Tools like TubeMagic for optimization can help identify trending keywords and topics related to your niche. By leveraging these keywords, you'll increase the likelihood of a larger audience discovering your video. Emotions are the driving force behind viral content. Whether it's humor, inspiration, shock, or curiosity, the content that triggers a strong emotional response is more likely to get shared. Think about why videos like "The Most Satisfying Cleaning Video Ever" or 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe go viral. They elicit specific emotions that compel people to share them with friends and family. In faceless videos, the power of storytelling is your secret weapon. Even though you're not on camera, you can still use compelling narratives to draw people in. For instance, if you're doing a video about personal finance, you could frame it as a story of financial transformation or overcoming debt. Or, if you're covering a tech topic, you could focus on the wow factor of how far technology has come and how it can change lives. This approach will engage and connect your audience to your content, enhancing their viewing experience and making them feel involved in the narrative. Use AI-driven tools like InVideo AI, Descript, or Synthesia to create high-quality voiceovers that are expressive and engaging, even without a person on screen. These tools can help you create professional-sounding voiceovers and pair them with high-quality stock footage or animations that match the mood and tone of your message. For instance, you can use Descript to perfectly edit your voiceover, ensuring it's engaging and free from any mistakes, or you can record your voice on InVideo. InVideo will use your voice as the narrator for your videos. This use of advanced technology will make your audience feel excited and intrigued about the possibilities for their own content. One of the biggest things people need to correct when creating viral videos is overcomplicating the content. Simplicity is key. Your present information should be easily digested through step-by-step guides, listicles, or quick tips. Viral content often delivers concise, high-impact messages in a way that's easy to follow and share. This emphasis on simplicity will make your audience feel reassured and confident in their ability to understand and share your content, fostering a sense of empowerment. This often means clean visuals, straightforward narration, and well-organized information for faceless channels. Break your content into chunks that are easy to process, and use engaging visual aids to help reinforce your points. For example, if you're making a video about how to make passive income with AI, break it into clear sections like the best tools for beginners, how to set up an AI-powered business, and how to scale for more profit. When structuring faceless content, use bullet points, numbered lists, and quick transitions to keep the video moving. Viewers are likelier to stick around if they learn something valuable quickly without unnecessary fluff. The first step to going viral is getting people to click on your video, which is why titles and thumbnails are crucial. A strong title creates curiosity, while the thumbnail visually promises something exciting or valuable. For example, if your video is about 5 AI tools for passive income, your title could be "These 5 AI Tools Make $500 a Day, Even While You Sleep." It taps into the curiosity of viewers who want to know these tools and how they work. The thumbnail could show an AI robot next to dollar signs or a person sleeping while money piles up, something visually intriguing that tells the story at a glance. Faceless channels can benefit significantly from solid visual metaphors in their thumbnails. Use Canva or Photoshop to design compelling, vibrant thumbnails that grab attention. Always include some text on the thumbnail, as studies show that adding text to thumbnails can significantly increase click-through rates. One critical element of creating viral content is ensuring your videos are optimized for YouTube's algorithm. The algorithm prioritizes videos that generate long watch times, high engagement, likes, comments, shares, and reasonable click-through rates. For faceless content, this means your video should be highly engaging from start to finish. Keep your pacing tight, avoid long-winded explanations, and incorporate multiple visuals to keep things dynamic. YouTube also rewards consistency, so upload regularly, even if just 1 or 2 videos per week. Optimize your video's metadata using TubeBuddy or TubeMagic by focusing on high-traffic keywords in your niche. Include these keywords in your title, description, and tags, but ensure they flow naturally with your content. Remember, keyword stuffing can hurt your video's performance. Lastly, engagement is a huge factor in going viral. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your video at critical moments. But don't just ask for engagement at the end of the video. Sprinkle calls to action throughout, like asking a question about something you just covered or suggesting viewers share the video with someone who might benefit from it. For faceless channels, audience engagement is essential because you don't have a personal face to connect with the viewers directly. Your content, visuals, and message need to build that connection. Engage with comments regularly and create community posts to encourage a sense of belonging among your audience. Creating viral content for faceless YouTube channels is possible and can be done effectively with the right strategy. By nailing your hook, tapping into emotional engagement, leveraging AI tools like InVideo and TubeMagic to streamline production, and optimizing for YouTube's algorithm, you can produce content with a good chance of going viral. Remember, the key isn't to rely on tricks or gimmicks, but to create real value that resonates with a broad audience. Please keep it simple and engaging, and always aim to provide something memorable.